Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bhupinder Singh, and I am an art teacher at Lotus Petal Foundation. Today, we learn that how to make origami pigeon. As you can see, I already make one. It's a very interesting and easy activity. You can learn it very quickly. So let's learn that how to make origami pigeon. For that, you need one square paper. As you can see, I already have one. So first, we have to take this paper. You can take any old paper. You have to fold into a triangle shape, so you have to add this point towards this point like this, then open it, and you have to repeat the step. You have to fold this point towards this point. Now open it. Now flip the page, and now you have to fold this line towards this line to get a center line like this. And then open it, and again fold this line over this line. Now you can see you have this plus mark and X mark over this paper. Now turn it and push it down. Then hold the paper like this into triangle shape. Now close it like this. After closing it, we have to join this point towards this point. And now open it, and you have to fold this line over this center line. So fold like this. Now you can see we have one X mark over here. So with the help of these creases, just fold this paper like this and join these two lines towards this point. Make a point here like this and press it down like this. Now you have to repeat this step from this side also. First fold it up, open it. Now fold this line towards the center line. Now open it again with the help of these crease lines. Just close it and join it like this and press it down. When you're done, just take it and fold it back side like this. When you're done, just take this flap, and you can see one line over here. So this point, it's your center point. So take it and fold it towards the center point like this. And now just take this flap and take this line and fold it over this horizontal line like this. Just flip it and repeat the step. You can take this as a demo. Just fold it over this page like this and again down. Okay, when you're done, then just take this line and fold it over here. Make a point here like this. Now open it, sorry, fold it and do the same step on this side also, and make a point over here. when you're done from both sides. Now we have to fold this big flap upside. Just put your finger here and fold it up like this. Now again we have to fold it down, so just fold like this, as you can see. Now open it and again fold up and down for the beak of our pigeon like this. As you can see, beak is ready. Now we have to make legs, so just take this flap and fold it backward like this, and do the same from this side also. Fold it back, and now open this and open this flap, and with the help of the crease line just fold it backward like this, and then again fold it like this in front side. So do the same from this side also. Open it, put your finger in this, fold it back, and then fold it again in front side. So now you can see your pigeon is ready. It's very easy and interesting activity. You can put it like this in table and you can play with it. I hope you enjoy this video. Try it yourself. Thank you.